Morning, everybody. Welcome to Leading Change, Leaders 711. This is the first day of our class, and it's only an 8-week session, so we are going to be moving fast. Be sure you get in today, if possible, and check out this week's assignments. You'll find the syllabus listed here on the left side. So you can go through and see, basically everything is broken up into, here's the schedule, there we go. So each week you have a discussion board and a written assignment. There is a simulation that you'll have to get. There's some readings from Harvard. Let me go back up there. So there are 2 books. I got the OD book from Amazon, I think used, so that might be an option for you. And then follow this link to the Harvard Business Review page, and I should have put the amount on there. I think it's like $25 for some Harvard Business Review materials. So the first module we're going to be looking at, well, you can go through and get to know me, but I'll do my introduction here. So the first module is Introduction and Thinking about Personal Change. So the materials are one of the HBR articles, an article that I have linked here, and the Heart of Change book. This is just to get you started because we're going to talk about it next week, and so I don't want you to have to read the whole book. Watch this video if you're not familiar with Who Moved My Cheese. And there's a discussion board and a written assignment. So in the discussion board, we're a small class, so hopefully you get to meet everybody. Introduce yourself with a video, some background information, and then some information about a change experience that you had that was positive. Organizational change is tough, so it might be hard to come up with one. And then your individual written assignment, so this just comes to me, has you reflecting on and answering some questions about the other materials, the video, and the 2 readings. So I will do my personal introduction a little bit later, but I post a video every week at the beginning of the week going over the assignments. So let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to working with you.